wait, I got it. Check this out right here, right here, right here. The chatbot inside of Instagram, right? How do I book an appointment? Boom, I'm gonna go ahead and submit, and let's see what we got. Come on, Square Salon, tell me something. There it is right there. It even gives us a URL. Eager to add some sparkle to your hair routine? Booking an appointment with us is as easy as brush through luxurious locks. You can secure your spot by giving us a ring at this number or visiting our website. Not only do I got it on the Instagram, but check this out. If I come over here to Messenger, what is the price of a men's cut? Let's go ahead and hit return. Let's see what Messenger is gonna give me. Come on, baby, what do we got? Don't leave me hanging. What do we got here? There it is. The price for a men's cut at our salon is $40 and up. Treat yourself to a stylish haircut that will leave you looking sharp and feeling confident. Need to make an appointment? Visit our website. And that's not all. What if I told you we also got it over here on WhatsApp? I'm gonna go ahead and hit return. What are your hours? And I have a feeling that WhatsApp's gonna tell me Monday through Friday with Sunday closed. And what do we got here? Look at this. At Square Salon, we dance through the week with these fantastic hours to ensure your hair journey is nothing short of fabulous. Monday through Friday, Saturday 8 a.m., 7 p.m., and Sunday closed. Hi there, my name is Chad Nicely, having some fun with AI chatbots, almost killing myself in the process and completely out of breath after doing that 100 different times. But look, this right here, this is nothing to laugh about. There's a lot of power and opportunity with these incredible AI chatbots. And it's true that we have figured out how to deploy the AI chatbots to all the Meta properties. I'm talking about Messenger, Instagram, as well as WhatsApp. And it really is one simple click. Nothing confusing, nothing overwhelming, no complicated software. It is very, very easy. I'm going to demonstrate that to you here in a minute, but it gets even better than that, because what if I told you this incredible app that is actually Meta approved, we're also able to go out there and build these little powered chatbots in about 2 minutes or less and deploy them to the Meta properties in the same 2 minutes. Now, I know you might be thinking, no, that can't happen. There's no freaking way that you can go out there and build a chatbot like that, or that anybody could build a chatbot that fast. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna head over to my computer and I'm gonna prove to you that this can be done. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna talk about the opportunity of a lifetime, because look, AI is where it's at for 2025, right? It's time for you to pay attention, and these simple little chatbots that you're gonna be able to crank out in 2 minutes or less are exactly the opportunity of a lifetime. I'll be back in a minute.